Top 10 Deep Dangerous Water Animal. Greetings everyone, welcome to Creature Craver. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and the majority of this comes from our oceans and seas. In fact, the Pacific Ocean takes up more than a third of the planet's surface. There are more than 1 million different species of creatures that call the ocean their home, while scientists estimate there are 9 million more species that are yet to be discovered. While the ocean is home to many beautiful creatures, some of these animals are poisonous and are potentially deadly to humans. From the poisonous to the just outright vicious, here's a look at 10 of the deadliest creatures you may encounter in the ocean. Hold tight and enjoy the video. Number 10. Pufferfish. They are named for their ability to inflate themselves to several times their normal size by swallowing water or air when threatened. The same adaptation is found in the closely related porcupine fish, which have large, conspicuous spines, unlike the small, almost sandpaper-like spines of pufferfish. The scientific name tetrodon refers to the fact that they have 4 large teeth fused into an upper and lower plate, which are used for crushing the shells of crustaceans and mollusks, their natural prey. The eyes and internal organs of most pufferfish are highly toxic, but nevertheless the meat is considered a delicacy in Japan and Korea. Tetrodotoxin, a chemical present in the pufferfish, is a powerful neurotoxin that can cause death in nearly 60% of the humans that ingest it. A human only has to ingest a few milligrams for a fatal reaction to the toxin to occur. Number 9. Box jellyfish. Various species of the box jellyfish exist around the world. It primarily swims in the waters surrounding Australia, the Philippines, Hawaii, and Vietnam. While it may look harmless and innocent, this transparent invertebrate is one of the most poisonous sea creatures and has claimed the lives of more than 6,000 people. The box jellies are also known as sea wasps. Their numerous tentacles contain venom that instantly stuns and kills its prey. Getting stung by one of these tentacles can cause heart failure. Most victims go into shock and drown once stung by box jellies. The pain from the venom can last for weeks, while parts of the body that made contact with the tentacles will have severe scarring. Number 8. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is found in the Pacific, primarily among the shallows of Australia and Japan. Its diet consists mostly of crab and shrimp. Despite its small size, the blue-ringed octopus possesses a venomous bite. Like most venomous and poisonous sea animals, its beautiful display of color is a warning sign to stay away. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, which is a type of neurotoxin that it releases through its salivary glands. This venom is 1,000 times more potent than cyanide and can kill 26 adult humans within minutes. Since there's currently no antivenom available for blue-ringed octopus venom, this animal is one of the most toxic sea creatures known to man. Number 7. Red lionfish. Lionfishes, pterois, make up any of several species of showy Indo-Pacific fishes of the scorpionfish family. Scorpionidae, order Scorpioniformes, they are noted for their venomous fin spines, which are capable of producing painful, though rarely fatal, puncture wounds. The fishes have enlarged pectoral fins and elongated dorsal fin spines, and each species bears a particular pattern of bold, zebra-like stripes. When disturbed, the fish spread and display their fins, and if further pressed will present an attack with the dorsal spines. One of the best-known species is the red lionfish, Pteroi volitans, an impressive fish sometimes kept by fish fanciers. It is striped with red, brown, and white and grows to about 30 centimeters or 12 inches long. The red lionfish is native to South Pacific reef ecosystems. In the early 21st century, the species became established in reef ecosystems along the eastern seaboard of the United States, in the Gulf of Mexico, and in the Caribbean Sea. Its rapid rate of reproduction, combined with the absence of natural enemies in those regions, resulted in its decimation of local reef fishes and its designation as an invasive species. Wildlife managers suspect that lionfish were deliberately released by pet owners into the ocean along Florida's Atlantic coast starting in the 1980s. But damage to pet stores caused by Hurricane Andrew in 1992 may have also allowed others to escape. Number 6. Flower urchin. Don't let this sea urchin's beauty fool you. Each of its flowers is actually a tentacle with a little jaw, called a pedicelaria, that can inject toxic venoms and potentially kill you. Let's just say there's a reason that this ferocious flower was named the most dangerous sea urchin in the 2014 Guinness Book of World Records. Number 5. Stonefish. Most commonly found in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific, stonefish, genus of the family Cynenceae, are another of the world's most dangerous ocean creatures. Most members of this genus of fish are highly venomous and potentially dangerous to humans. So much so that exposure to their venom can be fatal if left untreated. For this reason, stonefish are one of the most venomous fish known anywhere in the world. Their highly potent venom, a neurotoxin, is secreted from glands at the base of their needle-like dorsal fins. Developed primarily for defense, these fins are erected whenever the fish feels threatened or is disturbed. Most human stonefish incidents occur when swimmers accidentally step on them, receiving a decent dose of neurotoxin in response. Recent studies have also shown that stonefish have another specialized spine called the lacrimal saber that they use as an additional defense mechanism. Number 4. Tiger sharks. Tiger sharks, a species of the gloriously named requiem sharks, are one of the most feared oceanic predators in the world. They can grow to reach over 5 meters in length and are one of the ocean's top predators. These apex predators tend to roam widely in tropical and temperate waters, especially the Pacific, and its name comes from the dark stripes that run down its body. Tiger sharks tend to be solitary hunters that usually search for their prey at night. They are not particularly fussy about what they eat with their diet, including anything from crustaceans to dolphins and sea turtles. This shark is also known for consuming anything they run into, like discarded human waste, earning them the reputation as a garbage eater. For human beings, tiger sharks are second only to the great white shark for recorded fatal human attacks, but it should be noted that of the 111 tiger shark attacks recorded, only 31 were fatal. Number 3. Portuguese Man O'War. The Portuguese Man O'War, also simply known as the Man of War, is one of the ocean's deadliest creatures. A member of the genus Phasalia, this hydrozoan can be found in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. Whilst sometimes referred to as a type of jellyfish, the man of war is actually a siphonophore, which differs from the jellyfish by being a colonial organism rather than a multicellular animal. Its long tentacles are capable of delivering a painful sting that contains a strong venom that kills fish and sometimes human beings within minutes. It is estimated that around 10,000 human beings are stung by Portuguese Man O'War each year. Stings from their tentacles cause severe pain in humans and often leave whip-like red welts at the site of contact. In rare cases, the venom can travel to the lymph nodes and may cause symptoms that mimic an allergic reaction, including swelling of the larynx, airway blockage, cardiac distress, and an inability to breathe. Number 2. Sea snakes. Sea snakes are commonly found in tropical and subtropical waters of Southeast Asia, the Western Pacific Ocean, and Northern Australia. There are 70 known species, 30 of which exist in Australian waters. Like their terrestrial relatives, sea snakes are highly venomous. Unlike terrestrial cobras, most sea snakes are not aggressive, with exceptions, have small fangs, and avoid delivering venom when they bite. While similar to cobras in many respects, sea snakes are fascinating, unique creatures perfectly adapted to life in the sea. The beaked sea snake, for instance, has a venom so toxic that 3 drops of it can kill 8 persons outright. Scientists believe this is because of an evolutionary adaptation that allows them to hunt prey easily in a marine environment. Unlike land snakes, which have the luxury of waiting for their prey to die from their venom, marine snakes need to have a quick-acting venom so that their prey won't escape to deeper depths where the snakes can't follow or get snatched up by another sea predator instead. Number 1. Crocodiles. Saltwater crocs have earned a reputation as one of the wild kingdom's most ferocious predators. They can grow more than 20 feet long and weigh 3,000 pounds, and they have been known to hunt a wide range of prey, including monkeys, kangaroos, buffalo, and even sharks. Relying on purely brute strength, they are capable of dragging down water buffaloes and have occasionally victimized humans. Using an attack method known as the death roll, crocodiles kill their prey by latching on with their jaws and then taking down the dinner with a powerful twisting roll. The technique is also employed to break apart large animals. So, these were the top 10 deadliest water animals. Have you ever encountered any of these? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon button so that you'll get a notification whenever we post a new video.